the entire program for overlapping ellipses, where we are importing the required modules from the war and peace program. It is like get care, group care, bin module, and war and peace pseudo random generator class greater than get score class, and importing math function for doing the calculating the area of the ellipses. It has point class, ellipse class, and ellipse simulator function, box class, and input for ellipses function, and compute the area of overlapping ellipses function, and main function. The point class has a constructor, setting the set x for setting the coordinates of x-axis, and set y for setting the coordinates of y-axis, distance for calculating the distance of 2 points between x and y, and getting the coordinates of those points. And the ellipse class has a init constructor method, ellipse value method for calculating distance and minor axis, and focal distance method for calculating the focal distance, and box bundling method and inside ellipse method to calculate the sum of the distances. And ellipse simulator function has it has the pseudo random generator with the given seed from war and peace python code, and generates the random number for x coordinate as well as y coordinate, and returns the number of count in ellipse and the total points in the ellipses. And box class has init constructor again, x value and y value method, and get value method, and one more is area of the box method by and inputs. There are x1 y1 for ellipse 1 and x2 y2 for ellipse 2, same way for ellipse 2. So they are and here we are creating an error handling method, like if the width should be less than the focal length, or which 2 should be less than the focal distance of the E2. So if it is if this condition is satisfied, it prints the width is so small, try some high value, else it will return the value. And value exception is right, it will print like enter another right value if the focal distances are not in coordinates. And overlapping ellipses function, it has a bounding box of two ellipses, and getting x and y value of bounding boxes, getting minimum and maximum of x and y values, getting the count of points inside the ellipses, and total points using the ellipse simulator function. Main function to start the execute of the program. While executing the program, it starts from the execution of the last war and peace program. So it will just ask for the seed number again. Let the seed number be 1000, and it's just ask for the random points to generate the minimum maximum points. So random number be 1000 again. So it just asks for the points of the ellipse. Let the points be 1 to different points. So it asks for the width, so I'm just giving. So it just calculates the focal length of the ellipses using this x and y value. So it tells to enter another right value. So let's have 13 and 14. It 14 and 12. Okay, let the seed number again be 1000, and the number of random points be 10,000. So it just takes few times to calculate, generates the area of the overlapping ellipses. Moving on to the first question, briefly show your code working on a single case that is exactly at the origin. For example, we'll give the points exactly at the origin. So everything will be 0. The width will be 4 and 4 again. Enter the seed number. The seed number will be 1000, and the number of random points on the ellipse will be 10,000 again. So even at a different origin, there is a overlapping area of 16. So moving on to the second question, briefly show your code working on more complicated example. Let's consider a more complicated example with different centers. So we'll just start from the beginning to just seed value be 100 and the random points be 1000 and different origins, width will be 4 and 4 again. Seed number will be 1000. So number of random points, let's consider as 1000. So even at a different origin, there is a overlapping area of 25. Moving on to the next question, the third question, show the main loop of your algorithm. The main loop of the algorithm is the ellipse simulator function. In this loop, a pseudo random generator is used to generate number of random points within the specified x and y ranges. For each x and y ranges, for each point it checks if the point is inside both the ellipses e1 and e2. If it is, increments the counter. If it also keeps track of total number of points generated. At the end, it returns the number of points inside both both the ellipse and the total number of points.